three characteristics of a good teacher, the triangle of teaching, we call it, which looks fantastic on screen. Because it is a nice equilateral triangle. It includes being organizational, it includes being relational, and it includes being knowledgeable. And in a perfect world, we would have an equilateral triangle that is our life of these things. But the reality of it, and why we spend a lot of time on this in PD, is because nobody's an equilateral triangle. Nobody has each of these things perfectly. And in fact, I would go so far as to say we would not want a team at our school where everybody was this perfect thing. We want the balancing act that has to happen among people. Some are incredibly organizational and incredibly relational, and they don't like to say it as teachers, but their knowledge level might actually be the lowest level for them. They don't feel like they really know their topic well, especially when you bring new teachers in and they're learning new courses, right? But we embrace that. We think that's fantastic. We have other teachers whose knowledge is fantastic. They're organizational, but they struggle on the relationship side. And we're good with that. We like that. We embrace that. We bring everybody in together so that we can, together form a good community and learn from each other. And I think that's, probably one of the biggest keys is that we learn from each other in that situation. We learn how to adapt the other things. It's not like I say, I'm not organizational, so I'm never going to be. Stop expecting it. My report cards will never be done on time. Don't expect that from me, right? We don't say that. We need you to grow. We need you to learn, but we don't look for perfect people. We look for exceptional people who will struggle with certain areas.